Hey there! Today we're diving into a common annoyance that many developers face when using package management tools like pnpm in their projects. The problem we're tackling is the automatic generation of a package-lock.json file whenever changes are saved to the package.json file, even if npm isn't being used. It can be quite frustrating dealing with these unexpected files cluttering up your project directory. Now let's talk about the solution that was shared to address this pesky issue. By deactivating the Red Hat dependency analytics extension in VS Code, the problem of package-lock.json persistently reappearing was resolved. Whether this behavior is intentional or a bug on the side of VS Code, or the extension remains a mystery, but disabling the mentioned extension did the trick for many developers. In summary, we discussed a common problem faced by developers using package management tools like pnpm and the annoyance of package-lock.json files being automatically generated. The solution provided involved deactivating the Red Hat dependency analytics extension in VS Code to prevent the reoccurrence of the package-lock.json file. By following this approach, you can keep your project directory tidy and free from unnecessary files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Catch you in the next one.